This is one of my largest female. As you can see here, there's a tumbler, Tupperware with aquatic plants, and then the large female is here. There's no red claw indicator on its claw. That's the red claw. From there, that's a male. Another male here. Okay. So, based on the observation on Australian university that I saw on YouTube, the red claw or Australian red claw, their behavior is they stay on a runoff, or they show up in a dropping water, like a runoff dropping water, right? So that's a fact, as you can see from there. So going from here, right, to here, this is one of my oldest breeder. The side of the claw is still growing, but since the side of the claw is small one, the other one went big enough, went huge. So there's also a large female right there, but only one claw. That's a blue one from there. So as you can see, this is the pond with hides and aquatic plants. The reason being there's an aquatic plants because the sun will penetrate the netting, so it will also helps regulate the temperature. This soil will also helps turbidity to regulate also the temperature. Turbidity is the more darker the water, the more it will helps regulate the temperature. But this kind of water is now clear. So based on this large male, as you can see, its color is a bit different, bit light compared to this greenish. So from here, right, let's try to go where they are going. So I will just pass by on this side because I left my sleeper. So I just grow tilapia on this pond, a tropical pond. So here's what you can see from this side to this side. So all of the runoff water, those runoff or water that is dropping, a runoff water, they went to it and stay as if they're trying to find an escape. I'm not sure. Okay, let's pass this. Just walk. We I don't know how to call this. We just walk around the pond. So crayfish is crawling on the top. A strong aeration from there. Let's go around the pond. Bear with me a moment. Okay. Right here. Those are the hides. That's the new hides with the zip ties. I hope you get an idea. And most of the crayfish is on the large pond because I want to optimize their growth. Okay, so let's see here on this angle. Right, they're walking around, they're staying on the runoff, dropping water. Okay, but I'm afraid on the daytime I would need to add more hides. I will work more on the hides so that it will have like this angle, a straight angle, and then a lengthy one from here, like a rectangular shape. But those PVC pipes are expensive here in the Philippines, around $5 a length. So I may need two because this is a 9 inches hides. So let's just focus on this crayfish here and enjoy the video. These are the pregnant, holding its tail here. I can catch and isolate that pregnant maybe tomorrow because the nursery aquarium is not fully set up yet. Look at the coloration of this. Very green. I can go around from this corner. Some of them eating. This one is eating the feeds. So it's good to have this angle because from the runoff on that angle, they will just cross by here, and you will see them walking in front. So the large female with blue coloration and violet stripes. A large male with bluish. Look at the tail meat. It seems they're different from this to this. This is more greenish color compared to this. Also, this one is more greenish. So I'm not sure when I bought this crayfish. The plan is I will select the best shape, best symmetry, best tail meat like this. This is a large female. This is one of the large female. Look at the tail meat and the pattern with violet. Look at the claw. Beautiful female. That's a beautiful female. That's a male one. So going back, what I'm saying is I bought this crayfish and I don't have the indicators which breeder it came from. I just mixed all of them from here. My plan is I will see the fastest growing, the biggest tail meat, and then select regardless from breeder, from where it came from. What I'm trying to create is I will have my own selective breeding. So I'm looking for symmetrical claw, proportion claw with large scale meat, male and female. Also the colors. I like more of the greenish, more appealing than the slightest lighter one. Also this blue with violet colors. So maybe this is the right time I will grab this crayfish, but I can still wait more to see the larger one, because the problem of mating or matchmaking, we need to make sure that they have the same size, because if the male is very large and the female is very small, it will tend to run from the male. This is a pregnant one. It should be matched so that the male, but if the male is large enough to the female, it's also advantageous because the male can grab easily the female. So I'd rather use the pair or matchmaking with same size, large, fastest growth. So I'm still on the observing stage. I'm trying to observe them, which one was the fastest one, and try to take pictures to mark them. Alright, so thank you for watching on the video. I'll continue to take pictures on the male and female that I wanted to select for breeding. For now, I did not select any crayfish yet, but hopefully soon I will mark the fastest growing one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.